Mary Poppins!
Yeah! There she is! It's Mary! Look, fellas!
She's back!
Great to see you, Mary!
She's back!
Hello, Mary Poppins!
Well, hello there, Jack. So lovely to see you.
And the feeling is mutual. Hey, looks like you might need some help to find your way. Boys, you know what to do. Time to send up the call to arms. Learys, trip the lights and lead the way.
Now when you're stuck in the mist, sure you can struggle and resist, or you can trip a little like fantastic with me. And when the fog comes rolling in, just keep your feet upon the path. Mustn't mope and frown, or worse lie down, don't let it be your epitaph. So when life is getting scary, be your own illuminary, who can shine the light for all the world to see. As you trip a little like fantastic with me. O'Leary loves the edge of night, though dim to him the world looks bright. He's got the gift of second sight to trip a little like fantastic. O'Leary's job's to light the way, to take the night and make it day. We mimic the moon, yes, that's our aim, for we're the keepers of the flame. As you trip a little like fantastic with me.
Your hands, stomp your feet, catch this rhythm and feel that beat.
Now that sounds a little bit bombastic.
Now if your life is getting foggy, that's no reason to complain. There's so much in store inside the door of 17 Cherry Tree Lane. So when troubles are incessant, simply be more incandescent, for your ride comes with my lifetime guarantee. As you
Trip a little light fantastic.
won't you
Trip a little light fantastic.